Okay, now I can explain you how you can assign your all the product or the selected product to any vendor. First of all, you need to go to the marketplace. Now you need to scroll up. Now you can see the products. Okay, when you go to products, you can see your all the previous products. Now it's loading. Now you can see. Now you can do the quantity by. You can see you have already imported and added 263 263 products. Okay, so you can select your one by one, or you can just select all. Okay, select all 100 products, 100 entry one time. I can just select all products, see all products selected. Now I can start bulk edit. Okay, when you click on bulk edit, then you need to see this this option is here. You can change anything about your product. Okay, you can make them public, so you can change the price, you can add the weight, you can add the shipping class. Okay, for now there is no shipping class, anything like you want to add, but we need to go to store. Here you can see your all the vendor, and we can assign the product to your one of your created vendor. Okay, see, now I can assign all the product to this vendor. Similarly, you can select your products, select your any product and assign to any vendor like you want. Okay, it's loading, and after this, now all these, no, it's successfully done. Okay, similarly we can go to next page, see, and assign all products to the to one of your previous vendor. Now see, again I can select all product. Now again see, I can select all. I can just click on bulk edit, and then I can assign them to pre-build vendor. Okay, like this one, any you can assign to any vendor. Okay, you can also change this, it's not a problem. I am just going to assign all the product to one vendor just to show you how it can work. See this, after this I can just go down and shit, oh, sorry, I just mistakenly I have clicked on this. Just hold on. See, now I can go to third page. Sorry, my internet is not too good. Now I can go to third one and assign the product to any vendor. Okay, you can just select all, similarly you can select all, you can just bulk edit, you can scroll down, you can click and assign to any vendor and update. And then in this way you can assign any product to any vendor, and then you can select the shipping day, your shipping rates for each vendor differently. Okay, and it will not create any problem for you. I hope you understand.